Advances in Computer Science and Application Hiramda Numidini Chumna Chathagadaba Workshop cum Research Colloquium Ngasidagi Manipur University the Hokray Thoramasi Lakliba February Thada New Delhi the Pangtokadoriba India AI Impact Summit Ki Mawinana Pangtokpa Pre-Summit Event Ki Manung Channa Computer Science Department Manipur University Nasinduna MU Ki Court Hall da Pangtokpani Thoramadu University Asigi Vice Chancellor Professor and Lokendra na Miyobigi Wakaldagi Hena Yang Bangamli Hainariba AI Ki Application Singasi Ningthina Control Toba Changi Lakshin Bangam Hodaba Toklabadi Wato Kaya Toglakpagi Machakama Oirakani Haiki AI Ki Matang the University of Jerusalem gi Professor Suoriba Philosopher Yuval Noah Harari na Thamba Wafam VC Lokendra na Paladuna AI Haivasi Aroi Bahaiba Amamuk Laite Maramasana Malem da Oirakliba AI ki Hongba si Mamutana Khang Nabagidama Hena Kupsin na Honabagitangay Fadaba Lakli Matam Chana Laksan Haudrabadi Workforce Singasi AI na Mahut Sinkiduna Tabak Fangdaba Migi Masing Ka Hena Hengalaklagani Haina Nungnang Mofongdoki Thoramadu School of Mathematical and Physical Sciences MU Dean Professor Sumitra Fanjobam Research and Development Cell Director Professor CH Ibohal MU Registrar Professor M Premjit Amadi Department of Computer Science MU Head Dr. Kumukcham Robindro Susarukyaki.
I read in some report by Bill Gates. Bill Gates himself was very depressed, and he was saying that in some sector the workforce is going to be replaced by AI. There is going to be tremendous decline, in the workforce on many sectors of the economy, mostly in, say, healthcare and the other, say, associated, industries.